The summer is here, and I'm about to show you 4 different free websites that you can use to explore the opportunity of making money online this summer. People are using them, people are making money with that. I have made money with many of those. Starting a business, starting a side hustle, getting some extra income, depending on your effort, your skill set, your consistency, like we always say. Those are 4 things that work for real. So this is the path you can use. 4 different paths, actually. You can use this summer to start a completely new side hustle or business. This is completely up to you. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. So if you love sports like me, or even if you don't love sports, but you love making money, you cannot ignore the fact that sports is a multi-trillion-dollar business. And iconic moments like this one with Michael Jordan's shot, or the buzzer beater of Kobe Bryant, the incredible header of Cristiano Ronaldo, and this winning shot against my team, Panathinaikos, became iconic. And not just that. So many other ones. Every single day, in every single country, there is an iconic moment happening every day for which millions of people relate with. And that's why merch like this one with the European Championship win become items that people spend thousands on. So what we're gonna do is find those iconic moments and go to ChatGPT and ask it, for example, to come up with a copyright-free version. By the way, I will give you the prompts in the description of this photo in a way that really relates to this iconic moment so people can really understand that we're talking about this moment without, though, having copyright issues, legal issues, showcasing the athlete or the brand or the sponsor or whatever, right? So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT, ask for that, and ChatGPT will give me an actual image of Cristiano's header that looks like this, giving me also a quote that people can proudly wear that looks iconic, right? And I can do the same with Kobe Bryant's shot, like this, and come up with a design like this one. And you can do that for so many different moments. Now we have the World Cup. We discussed before how you can use that to relate with specific countries, right? Come up with designs for specific countries or with iconic moments that will be produced from the finals, quarterfinals, or an epic moment of a specific country. So use moments like this. Go to ChatGPT, come up with a beautiful quote like we did, and then go to Printify, find the Summer Kit category, which is specifically created for the World Cup, and find products that people and fans would proudly wear. Customize them like we have shown so many other times. Create t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, you name it. You can find 1,300 different products here on Prettify. Adjust them, find items that have a high profitability, at least 50 to 60%, and launch them either on your pop-up store, as you see right here, or directly to Etsy. Accessing, like this, millions of people looking for iconic moments, Lakers moments, or whatever else, right? Make it relevant for specific groups. The World Cup, England winning shot, or whatever. Find smart descriptions. Use ChatGPT to come up with SEO-friendly descriptions for your products. Create them on Printify and start doing that immediately after the iconic moments where the buzz is happening. And Twitter, X, by the way, I hate X. I love calling it Twitter still today. It's probably the best platform to start promoting your products there because using the right hashtags, you can catch the vibe, the momentum of the things being searched, discussed at this right moment. So let me know in the comments who is going after this side hustle before we go to number 2. So the next platform we're gonna be using is called aligner.com, and it's actually one of the few platforms that have been created recently because there's a brand new need of people training AI models, right? To make them better, more specific, more accurate, and more rewarding for people. So Aligner does exactly that. It's giving people the opportunity. And as you see right here, this is the average pay based on previous gigs, based on previous projects, and how many new people are being hired every single week. This is legit. I have done my research. I haven't made any money yet myself. I haven't tried it actually, but I know for facts that this is legit, this is not bullshit, right? And as you see, there are different projects based on expertise. So obviously there are people that are being hired and are PhDs, researchers, and experts in specific topics like coding or chemistry, but are also generic gigs available that pay very, very well, like $40 or 120 per hour. Like this one with 40 per hour, 20 to 40 per hour, that actually is a gig about people that are fluent in Spanish. They want to optimize AI-generated Spanish translations, AI translators, right? So you can apply. Not everybody's going to be eligible. This might not be available. And obviously, you're not going to get consistent gigs. But since this is something dynamic and new gigs are coming every single week, you can visit it daily, apply, see if you're eligible in some of these cases, and go for it. This is an actual work case. People are making money training AI models. This is real. So give it a try and see if you will be one of them. The third platform I have for you, which is quite cool actually, is called Ko-Fi, and it's an amazing way for creative people of any kind to sell their creativity to other people. So they can get tips, memberships, or sell specific items and services to their fans, to the people that follow them or people they want to start following them. And as you see right here, you have different options, like have paid community and charge per month or a one-time commission. You can sell specific items and digital products and have people buy from you, even videos. You can create exclusive videos and sell them to your audience, even creative art. This is suitable for streamers, artists, writers, crafters, cosplayers, communities, developers, whatever you want, even people that are creating. And for every single niche, you have specific groups to get inspired from and see what other people are offering. So for example, if you go to musicians, you're gonna see examples of people creating communities or offerings for their audience. So this is a community with almost 500 supporters. There's a one-time fee of $2 or a membership of £4 per month. And it's a specific community for a very small specific niche, offering exclusivity, items, inspiration to this group of people. There is literally zero limitation in what exactly you would like to create. Video creators offer premium videos, right? Exclusive videos. You can have donations, you can have a membership, you can have whatever you want. So no matter what you have in your mind, a community offering craftsmanship, consultation, whatever it is, and start offering that to a specific demographic of people, charging a small fee or a bigger fee, depending on the value you provide. How cool is that? And business idea number 4. Now, this is really unique because it's an actual flipping of businesses, which has been happening since too many years, even in offline businesses. So for example, people are looking outside in dying businesses, not in a sense that the businesses are bankrupt or they don't work. They're businesses that they don't have a succession. Somebody who is running them for 30 years or 40 years wants to retire and they don't have somebody to give it to. Their sons, their daughters, right? So in those cases, there's a very big opportunity for you to go there, grab the business, even fund it completely with a loan and run it yourself or flip it, sell it, right? We're not gonna do that in the offline market, but we're gonna do that in the online market without having to get a loan, without having to spend. We're gonna go to acquire.com and search for businesses that are listed very, very low in terms of asking price. So sort by price, low to high, and start exploring what exactly is happening right here. In some cases, you might find an asking price of even $10 or $5. So what we need to find is something that has a small asking price, like for example, this is $450 and has already produced revenue, right? So it's early revenue, even a small one, right? In some cases, only the platform that people have created is worth way more than the asking price. So a SaaS platform is not something that people can create easily, most of people. So depending on your budget, your research, and your expertise, obviously, to a specific field, you can find some gems that you need to upgrade in order to unlock the information. And you can get the specification of this business and go to Flippa, where you can evaluate the business that you just acquired by talking with the AI valuation expert that Flippa gives you. So for example, if the Flippa tells you that your business that you just acquired or you haven't acquired and you're just checking is worth 5K, you can buy it for $500 and you can sell it on Flippa for 5,000. Or you cannot sell it, right? You can run it, whatever you want. But flipping businesses is an actual thing, like flipping real estate listings, right? It's something that you can do, or flipping items in garage sales. So it's exactly the same. And you can browse also listings on Flippa, so you can do the opposite. As you see, you have thousands of different listings on Flippa as well. So you can sort by price and find things that are being sold for $1, $1 again. So you can get the business and sell it in the other platform, right? Or run it yourself, or sell it on Facebook Marketplace, or whatever you have access to, right? So this is an amazing platform to find opportunities, either if you want to run the business or flip it to another marketplace. How cool is that? So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, show some love, like the video, share it, share your comments, let me know which side hustle are you gonna chase this summer. I hope you have an amazing summer ahead, and until next time, simply hustle.